To this college review. In this video, we're going to talk about GIBS BBA program. वैसे तो I've already reviewed this institution specifically for the PGDM program, but in this video, we're going to talk about their BBA. So let's, in case if you have this institution in your list, watch this complete episode. So they have recently established all total a new campus, which I've heard about, a pretty decent campus. Let's, in case if you want a college with a college life for sure. So this college was established in the year 2014. It's a 10-acre spread campus. Learning model, they've specified 80% practical, 20% theory, 3,000 plus alumni network, NAC A++ accreditation. There are some, ranking, but I feel like, ranking should not be the parameter to consider any single college, right? Now, if I talk about transport and connectivity, located near Electronic City, Bangalore, well connected through Hosur Road and Begur Road. BMTC buses serve nearby areas, so students can commonly use cabs, autos, and institute transport. Now, if I talk about campus infrastructure, you will find seminar halls, classes, right, libraries, cafeteria, gymnasium, indoor games, outdoor sports facilities. That is something what you will be finding within the campus. Now, if I talk about BBA, you'll find in various specialization, which includes, BBA standard. Then you have, just give me a moment. Okay, so you have BBA standard, then you have, BBA, which is plus CMA, US certified management accountant, right? Then you have BBA digital marketing and e-commerce, BBA business analytics, data science, project management, fintech, CFA, NISM, right, AIML, HR analytics, international study tools. So all these options you have available when it comes to the program. So the admissions will be based on 12th, followed by you have to fill the application form, followed by interview, and accordingly you can proceed with the institution. Let me just be very honest to you. A lot of colleges have, very decent kind of application admission process. It's more of, they'll be looking at your 10th, 12th, in general, and accordingly, they'll be selecting you for the final selection. A lot of colleges have these coupons, so if you want, you can reach out to the form which is there in the description box. So that is basically the eligibility criteria, application, online registration, verification, application, selection process, followed by interview, right? Documents include your 10, 12, TC, migration, government ID proof, recent passport size photos and all that. Now, if I talk about the fees, total fees for BBA, is plain BBA is 5,50,000. If I talk about BBA plus CMA, that is 6 lakh rupees. If you want BBA plus international study tour, 6,50,000. BBA plus CMA plus international, which is 7 lakh rupees. So that is basically the fee structure. Fees includes tuition fees, uniform, and these are other facilities which is included within the tuition fees. Other fees include security deposit, which is 20,000. Hostel fees 1,32,000 per year. Apple MacBook optional 1 lakh rupees. University exam fees as per the there are basically 2 exams when it comes to within a year, so that is something what you need to bear. So they also offer various scholarship, right, based on your academics, which is 12th ka percentage. There will be scholarship for sports and extracurricular, state, national level achievements, special, category scholarship, which is financial aid, boards of defense personnel, and students of single parents. Now, if I talk about the placements, they have specified the placements for their MBA, which is 8.2 lakh rupees. But in general, if I talk about the placements for BBA, it will be 3 to 4 lakh rupees, not more than that. But this is one of those colleges where the fee structure is not on a very higher side. So within the budget of, 10 lakh rupees, I think, if you are going for a plain BBA, so you can consider this as an option. But let's, in case if you want to have a real insight about this institution, whether you should consider it, what all other options you have in your list, all you can do is there's a form in the description box. You can fill it right there and get your queries answered. So this was me, Arshi Khan, signing off. Milte hain ek aur episode ke saath.
I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.